Hello friends, so today we will study logistic regression. It is a part of data science subject. So let's start. So what is logistic regression? Logistic regression, it is a technique to find the relationship between a set of input variables and an output variable, just like any regression. But the output variable in this case is the binary outcome. Like we can have the outcome as 0 or 1, or we can have the outcome as yes or no, or true or false. So if this type of outcome is present, we say it's a binary outcome and we say it is the logistic regression. So simple logistic regression, what it says is, in real world business example would be the study of traffic jam at a certain location in London using the binary variable. The output is a categorical yes or no. Hence there is a traffic jam. We can say whether it is yes or no. So the probability of occurrence of traffic jam can depend on the attributes such as the weather condition, day of the week, the month, time of day, number of vehicles, etc. So using logistic regression, we can find out the best fitting model that explains the relationship between the independent attributes and traffic jam occurrence and predicts probability of traffic jam occurrence. So we can find out whether it is traffic jam is there or not, yes or no. So the process is called binary logistic regression. So the graph, it shows that it can have a value from -6 to say 0 to some value +6, and we can have a range from -0 to -1. So this process is called binary logistic regression. The state of the traffic changes for no, that is 0, to yes, that is 1, by moving along a curve modeled by the following code. So using this code, we can change the values, and for x in range -10 to 10, 1, we have to increment and we have to print the sign function. Now, multinominal logistic regression. So it is a form of linear regression analysis conducted when the dependent variable is nominal with more than 2 levels. It is used to describe data and to explain the relationship between one dependent nominal variable and one continuous level, interval or ratio scale dependent variable. So you can consider the nominal variable as the variable that has non-intrinsic order. Now, ordinal logistic regression, it is a type of binomial logistic regression. Ordinal logistic regression is used to predict the dependent variable with ordered multiple categories and dependent variables. In other words, it can be used to facilitate the interaction between dependent variables having multiple ordered level with one independent variable. So this type is an extremely good data set to process, and you already have a relationship between the data entries that is known. So deploying your transform step algorithm will help you insight into how strongly or weakly this relationship support the data discovery process. Business problem. Rate a student on the scale from 1 to 5 to determine if he or she has the requisite qualification to join the university. The rating introduces a preference or likelihood that these items can be separated by a scale. So I will take you through the data science solution using a set of generated potential students. The question is, what criteria derives the final decision of the student? So whether he can join or does he have the requisite qualification or not. Now, clustering techniques we will study in the next video. Thank you.